What is powder coating versus anodizing? Surface finishing isn't just about making your parts look good, it also boosts durability and overall performance. But with options like powder coating and anodizing, how do you know which one to pick? In this video, we'll take a closer look at what powder coating is, how it actually works, and how it compares to anodizing so you can make the right choice for your project. So, what exactly is powder coating? Think of it as wrapping your metal part in a tough, colorful skin that's super resistant to scratches, corrosion, and wear. Unlike traditional solvent-based or water-based paints, powder coating doesn't use liquid as a carrier. It's applied as a dry powder, and air does the job instead. There are two main types: thermoplastic and thermoset. Thermoplastic powders melt and flow when heated, then stick to the surface as they cool. And here's the cool part: they can be reheated and remelted, making them reversible. Thermoset powders, on the other hand, melt and flow at first, but then chemically react and form a strong three-dimensional network. Once cured, they're locked in place and can't be remelted. Some common thermoplastic powders include polyethylene, polypropylene, and polyester. For thermoset powders, you'll often see epoxy, epoxy-polyester hybrids, pure polyester, and polyurethane systems. Next, let's talk about how powder coating works. Before the coating goes on, the metal surface needs to be cleaned and prepared. That usually means removing any grease, dirt, or old finishes, sometimes through sandblasting or chemical cleaning. Once the surface is ready, the powder is sprayed onto the part using a special gun. This isn't just ordinary spraying. The powder particles are charged with static electricity, which makes them cling to the grounded metal surface like magnets. After that, the coated part goes into an oven. Under heat, the powder melts and flows, creating a smooth, uniform layer that hardens as it cools. The result is a visually appealing finish that is thicker and more durable than most liquid paints. Powder coating and anodizing both create a protective layer on metal parts, but the way they work is totally different. So let's break it down. The first big difference is materials. Powder coating is versatile. You can apply it to steel, aluminum, and even plastics. Anodizing is different. It basically works on aluminum and titanium because it creates a protective oxide layer that's actually part of the metal itself. Next up, corrosion resistance. Powder coating acts like a shield on the surface. It does a great job until it chips, which can expose the metal underneath. Anodizing doesn't have that issue because the protection is built into the aluminum, so even scratches don't compromise it as quickly. Thickness and tolerances are another key difference. Powder coating usually creates a thicker layer, anywhere from tens to hundreds of microns, which can affect precise dimensions, especially holes and mating surfaces. Anodizing, on the other hand, forms a much thinner layer, typically 5 to 25 microns, so it has minimal impact on part dimensions. That makes it ideal for components that require high precision. Then there's appearance. Powder coating gives you virtually unlimited colors and finishes, from glossy reds to matte blacks to metallic textures. Anodizing has fewer options, but offers that sleek, natural metallic look with subtle tones like silver, black, or bronze. And finally, cost. Anodizing is often cheaper for big batches of aluminum parts, while powder coating makes more sense if you're working with different metals or want bold custom designs. Overall, powder coating is all about flexibility and aesthetics, while anodizing focuses on a thinner layer with built-in durability. If you're not sure which surface finish is right for your project, reach out to us. At RapidDirect, our engineering team can help you balance quality and cost with professional support. And don't forget to like this video. Drop a comment if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on manufacturing and product design.